Do you know there are around 2 billion websites out there on the net today? With such staggering numbers, web hosting service providers play a vital role as they provide the foundation on which a website is built. In this video, let's look at the 10 best web hosting service providers. Hi, my name is Komal Kashyap and you're welcome to our channel Netly. Do watch this video till the end as I'll be sharing a very important tip with you. And yes, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we launch more such videos. Choosing the right service provider can be a tedious task, as each hosting provider offers different features and pricing. So it's essential to go through those features and also consider factors such as uptime and loading time. Apart from hosting services, most of the providers offers a whole range of services such as dedicated servers and management, email accounts, FTP access, WordPress support. Let's begin with our list. Number 1 is Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the most popular names when it comes to providing hosting services. It is owned by Endurance Corporation and is also rated as the best web hosting service provided by WordPress. Bluehost gives you 24/7 support and free consultation if you get stuck. It also provides on-demand assistance over the phone and chat support with WordPress experts. There is a full blueprint which you will get, which is all about getting started with WordPress, exploring all the aspects of making a WordPress website.
Various shared hosting plans which Bluehost offers are Basic, Plus, Choice Plus and Pro. The Basic plan comes with one website at the cost of $3.95 per month. The Plus plan comes with unlimited websites at the cost of $5.95 per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with unlimited website at the cost of $5.95 per month. And the Pro plan comes with unlimited websites at the cost of $135.95 per month. Number 2 is Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the fastest web hosting options available in the market. It is guaranteed 99.9% uptime with the fast loading cache manager. The multiple features of Hostinger are custom dashboard, responsive support, free domain, unlimited features and great introductory price. The pricing plans that Hostinger offers for shared hostings are single at the cost of $0.99 per month, premium at the cost of $2.59 per month, and the business at the cost of $2.59 per month. Number 3 is GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a well-known name in the list of hosting providers. It is one of the oldest hosting providers. With a customer base of more than 63 million, GoDaddy is an ideal choice for a lot of companies and individuals. Various features of GoDaddy are: it is easy to use, uses top-of-the-line technology, wide variety of hosting solutions, design flexibility, quality customer support, affordable deals, security, and reliability. The pricing plans that GoDaddy offers for web hosting include Starter, Economy, Deluxe, and Ultimate. The Starter plans comes with one website at the cost of $2.99 per month. The Economy plans comes with 100 GB storage at the cost of $5.99 per month. The Deluxe plans comes with unlimited websites at the cost of $7.99 per month, and the Ultimate plan comes with 2x processing power and memory at the cost of $17.99 per month. Number 4 is DreamHost. DreamHost has been providing hosting for 25 years and hosted over 1.5 million sites. Some of its features are above average speed and uptime, 97-day money-back guarantee, unlimited disk space and network transfer limits, and no higher renewal price increase. The chat support is good, but DreamHost gives limited live chat support. The most popular pricing plan is of shared hosting, starting at the cost of $2.59 per month, which gives you a free domain name, fast SSD storage, and email hosting for your website. Its pricing plans are Shared, DreamPress, and VPS. The shared plan comes with one website at the cost of $4.95 per month. The Dream Press plan comes with one WordPress website at the cost of $19.95 per month. And the VPS plan comes with unlimited websites at the cost of $15 per month. Number 5 is SiteGround. SiteGround has excellent performance up to 99.99% uptime with above average load time. It supports a large number of applications which go up to 500. SiteGround has good chat support, unmetered bandwidth, 10 GB storage, website builder, free email, free SSL certificate and content delivery network. The pricing plans are Startup, Grow Big and Go Gigs. The startup plan comes with one website at the cost of $3.95 per month. The Grow Big plan comes with unlimited websites at the cost of $5.95 per month. And the Go Gigs plan comes with unlimited websites at the cost of $11.95 per month. Number 6 is Green Gigs. Green Gigs is an environment-friendly hosting service. They offset 300% of the carbon from the energy they use. Some of the popular features of Green Gigs are top security measures, automated backups. It has hosted over 3 lakh websites. Its pricing plans include Lite plan at the cost of $2.95 per month, Pro plan at the cost of $5.95 per month, and the Premium plan at the cost of $11.95 per month. Number 7 is iPage. iPage is a hosting service which provides free domain registration, free drag and drop site builder, 1000 of free templates, free SSL certificate, free email address, 30-day money back guarantee, free 24/7 support and free domain transfer. The pricing plans are Go plan of 12-month terms with the introductory price of $2.99 per month and the renewal price with $9.99 per month. Number 8 is Cloudways. Cloudways is one of the best cloud web hosting for small businesses as it makes hosting simple and agile for everyone. Cloudways provides you 24/7 365 days online support, free SSL certificates for your website security, unlimited application hosting and free migration to Cloudways. It also specializes in high-speed CDN, free WordPress cache plugin, OS level firewalls, launching more than 10 apps in one click and GIT integration. The best thing is they give you a 3-day free trial for using DigitalOcean, Linode, Vultr, Ours and Google Cloud Platform without any credit card. Let's look at their various options. At the cost of $10 per month, it provides 25 GB storage with one core processor. At the cost of $22 per month, it provides 50 GB storage with one core processor. At the cost of $42 per month, it provides 80 GB storage with 2 core processor, and at the cost of $80 per month, it provides 160 GB storage with 4 core processor. The 9th one is BigRock. BigRock is an ICANN accredited domain registration and web hosting company which powers 6 million domains and has 10 years of experience in technical web hosting. It provides some features for free after registering your domain with them, like free email accounts, DNS management, multiple mail forwards, domain theft protection, and domain forwarding with easy-to-use control panel. The best thing about BigRock is that they provide a free net domain name with the purchase of 6 months hosting. Its products and features are domain registration, domain extension, web hosting, email hosting, DIY website builder. The pricing plans are starters at the cost of $99 per month, advanced at the cost of $179 per month, and business and startups at the cost of $319 per month. Last but not the least, the 10th one is Kinsta. Kinsta is one of the most user-friendly hosting providers for WordPress with over 15 years of experience and award-winning performance. The best part is you can make a free demo account on Kinsta for 60 days, thus allowing you to manage and scale your website. Some of its features are a proactive customer support system, high security network, great speed, Google Cloud Platform, and free migrations. Also, they offer the most flexible plans with 30 days money back guarantee. The plans are Starter at the cost of $30 per month, Pro at the cost of $60 per month, Business 1 at the cost of $100 per month, and Business 2 at the cost of $200 per month.
These are some of the best web hosting service providers that you can consider to buy hosting and other related services. Now, some of the tips you should consider before starting with any provider. Number 1. Understand all the features you are getting for what you are paying. Number 2. Be aware of pricing tricks. Number 3. Look for the credibility of the provider. Number 4. Consider website builders that offer compelling ways to create your website. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, do share it, smash the like icon and tell people about it. Did you like our research? Let us know in the comments. Also, if you have been using one of these service providers, how has your experience been? Your valuable feedback will help other viewers. Also, let us know what topics would you like us to cover in our upcoming videos. There is blog links in the description below that you can go through for more detailed information. See you soon on the next video.